several members of the medical community are speaking up against the DOF directive ordering PhilHealth to return its excess funds to the government. Some 63 groups have signed a petition calling on President Marcos to step in. Here's the report.
How can PhilHealth have excess funds of close to 90 billion pesos when it still has unpaid obligations? That's the big question for the medical community. The Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines says PhilHealth still owes them between 4 and 6 billion pesos. That amount covers COVID cases, return to hospital expenses, and other denied claims of health institutions from 2019 to 2023.
The hospitals continue to refile because we believe na tama naman yung aming mga claims. May mga hospitals na malaki pang hindi nababayaran at meron namang hospitals na unti-unti nababayaran ng PhilHealth.
Unlike government hospitals that receive subsidies, De Grano says the budget of private medical centers can only stretch so much.
Yung perang yon, in advance yan ng mga private hospitals. So, to the point na yung reserve ng mga private hospitals nauubos. Kasi doon naman nila lang ginagamit yan sa pangbili ng mga supplies, gamot, pambayad sa mga salaries ng ating mga empleyado.
The issue blew up after the DOF directed PhilHealth to return what they say is excess funds to the tune of 89.9 billion pesos, so it may be used for unprogrammed activities. Even as PhilHealth tried to make assurances that returning that money won't affect their operations and member benefits, experts aren't convinced. So far, the insurer has returned 20 billion pesos to the national coffers.
Paano masasabing excess funds when tayong mga Pilipino have to look for other means para lang matugunan ang kanilang pangangailangan na pangkalusugan. Yung iba nga namamatay nang hindi man lamang sila nakaka-receive nung talagang dapat na healthcare na needs nila.
Limpin joins members of around 63 medical groups and healthcare professional organizations who are questioning this move. They also plan to take the issue to the Supreme Court.
It's illegal. Kasi malinaw sa charter ng PhilHealth at dun sa ating Universal Healthcare Law, malinaw doon na sinasabi na kung pondo ang PhilHealth, kung may reserve fund siya, either palakihin yung scope ng serbisyo ng mga mamayan, yung mga benepisyo na nakukuha natin, o ibaba yung premium ng taong bayan.
The groups are calling on President Bongbong Marcos to step in and undo the DOF's directive, which by the way extends to other GOCCs, not just PhilHealth.
Ang sabi nga po ni BBM, di ba? Bawat buhay mahalaga. Yan sana isakatuparan ni Pangulong Bongbong ang kanyang mahalaga na bawat buhay ng Pilipino.
The groups hope Marcos will address the issue at Monday's State of the Nation address. For News 5, JC Cosico, We Are One News.